It's Sarah from South Fayette Township Library, and today I'd like to share my favorite stovetop potpourri with you. I discovered recipes for stovetop potpourri on Pinterest several years ago, and I had to try it out. This one is my most favorite, and I'd like to share it with you today. You'll just need a medium saucepan. And to make my favorite recipe, I like to cut up a whole orange, put it right in the saucepan. You can add 2 or 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoons of whole cloves, roughly a cup of fresh cranberries, and I like to add a dash of vanilla as well. We're just going to add 2 to 3 cups of water. Already smells fantastic. And it looks amazing. It's beautiful. You're going to put this on your stove top and bring it to a boil, and then reduce it to a simmer. And your house is going to smell amazing. Guests will love it. You'll love it if you're spending a quiet evening home with your family. And it's a natural way to make your house smell fantastic. You'll just have to periodically add a little bit more water to this fabulous, beautiful mixture. I recently saw on Pinterest this great idea that you can get a cellophane bag and add everything that we just put into our potpourri mix, minus the water, and put a beautiful bow and a little label, and it makes a great gift for neighbors, for friends, or for coworkers. There are many different recipes for stovetop potpourri on Pinterest. I've seen ones with lemon and rosemary, even ones that add pine branches. It's wonderful to experiment and find out which stovetop potpourri combination you like the most. I hope you'll try a stovetop potpourri, and I really hope you enjoy it. Stay safe and well, and enjoy this holiday season. Thank you so much. Have a great week.